name is Evelyn Marroquin, and I'm a rec leader from the City of Santa Maria Recreation and Parks. And today we're going to be making our Valentine make and take. What you will be getting is some greenery, some roses, some baby's breath, some carnations, your Valentine mug, some green oasis, some ribbon, some Valentine sticks, some tape, some green sticks, and a pipe cleaner. What you will need is some scissors, your floral cutters, and your glue stick. Okay, so the first step you're gonna do is get your oasis, and you're gonna put it on top of your mug. And it's okay if it's over, because you're just gonna push down and then wipe off all the excess, just like that. So the second step, you're gonna get your water and you're gonna fill up your cup. Takes a lot of water, just like that. And you're gonna wanna stop until you see the water in your cup rise. And remember, it is a sponge, so it's gonna soak up a lot of water, and keep filling it until it stops receiving. As you can see, I'm using lots of water. Okay, see? Okay, and as you can see, the water is at the top of the cup. So now it's full. So now you're gonna wanna get your greenery, and you're gonna cut some small pieces, and you're gonna go on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're gonna want a tall piece to go straight in the middle. And make sure to have your stems long enough so you can put it through the oasis, okay? Okay. One, 2, so we're just filling in the gaps to fill all the bottom, okay? That's probably too long. So when you're putting your greenery in, you want to make sure that the angle of the stem goes downwards, so you can see that it comes out looking like that. Okay. Next step, you're gonna grab your roses, and you're gonna wanna make sure that there's gonna be 3 tiers. So you're gonna wanna measure your cup, 2, so about right there, okay? So then you wanna make sure you have it long enough that it's gonna be able to go into your oasis. I'm gonna stick that in towards the back, okay? Just like that. Then you get your second. I'm gonna go like right here. Second tier towards the middle, just like that. And your third rose. That's too long. Right there, towards the front. All right, now that we have our roses in place, you're gonna make sure that they are staggered, making sure that the roses come to the end of the next rose, just like that. Just like that. Next, we're gonna be adding our baby's breath. Okay, so now we got our baby's breath. We're gonna do some clips. You're gonna wanna make sure you have a tall enough piece to go in the back. And you're gonna fill it in, okay? And it's gonna be like a little filler to make sure to fill in all the spaces in between, okay? And make sure they're arranged all over, not just in one spot. So back, front, side, and front. Okay, so once you have your baby's breath in the directions that you want, now it's time for our carnations. Okay, so you're gonna get your tall carnation, and you can clip it right here because we will use this one because this will bloom, okay? And so you're gonna wanna make sure the tall ones are in the back, just like that. And we will use this one. And then just like that again. So with our carnations, you're gonna wanna make sure to look for some gaps and rearrange them in different directions so they're not just all in one clump. Just like that. Okay, so with the carnations, the stems are very brittle, very easy to bend. So what you're gonna wanna do is cut it in an angle so it goes into the oasis very easy. And you're gonna wanna hold it towards the base so it doesn't break. So you want all levels. Make sure that there's some on the bottom, on the side. Okay, now that we have our carnations placed where we needed them, we're gonna be using our hot glue gun to do our embellishments. Okay, so now that we have our wooden heart, we're gonna grab our dowel and we're gonna place it in the middle, just like that with our hot glue gun. And you're gonna wanna make sure that it's not all the way to the top, it's gonna be starting in the middle, okay? Because you want the space right here to put it in our oasis. Okay, place it just like that and hold down. Okay, so once our wooden heart is drying, we're gonna get our 3 hearts and stagger them just like that, and then we'll glue them. Just a little bit of glue. So once your 2 hearts are dry, you're gonna wanna get your tape and you're gonna wanna wrap it because we don't wanna see the red stick. We wanna see the green so it can blend in. And pull it tight and just wrap it. And just wrap it really tight all the way down. Okay, so that's like that. We're gonna get our big heart. So then you're gonna wanna use the remainder of the tape to tape down the big heart and make sure it is staggered. You're gonna wanna have that layer look. And then okay. Perfect. Okay, and then that should be good with the tape right here. All right, so that is done. We're gonna get our wooden heart. We're gonna lay it down and we're gonna get our hearts and place it in the middle, okay? You wanna make sure that your bottom heart is on top of the wood heart like that. And then we're gonna hot glue it down. Okay, let that dry. All right, while our sticks are drying, we're gonna go to our bow. What you're gonna do is you're gonna find the middle and we're gonna do it in quarters so you have enough for both sides to have a tail. Just like that, okay? Then you're gonna scrunch it in the middle. Just like that. Grab your pipe cleaner. And you're gonna tie it together and twist it. Okay. Don't worry, we will fix the bows. It has wire, so it will be fluffy. So now that we have our pipe cleaner wrapped around, you're gonna get your dowel with the wire. You're gonna wanna put it in the middle of your pipe cleaner and then twist it on. So we can get that out of the way. Okay, and then you'll have your metal to wrap around. Okay. And then your bow, then we fluff the bow. And put your, like that. And there's your bow. Okay, so now we're gonna put it all together. We're gonna get our wooden hearts and we're gonna put it to the middle side, just like that. In between the tallest rows and the shortest rows, okay? Push it down, just like that. And then you're gonna grab your bow and you're gonna want to do it off, just a little bit off center. Just like that. All right, once you have it all fluffed out to your liking, there you go. There's your February make and take. My name is Evelyn Marroquin, and I'm a rec leader with the City of Santa Maria Recreation and Parks. And thank you for watching. Enjoy.